Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be sharing with you some handy tips to keep the appliances around your home safer. In rare and serious circumstances, appliances can develop faults which can make them a fire risk or dangerous to use. A well-maintained appliance is a safer appliance, so take a look at our safety tips to help keep your machines and your home safer, and we'll link even more tips at the end of this video. First, when you're buying an appliance, make sure they have a British or European safety mark on them. British and EU safety standards are quite rigorous, so this is one of the ways to help you know that you're getting a genuine and reliable product. Now, our second tip is to keep your appliances clean. A build-up of lint in your tumble dryer or grease on your cooker can actually be a fire risk, and a build-up of limescale on your dishwasher or washing machine can actually cause them to break down. To make sure you stay in the know with how to maintain your appliances properly, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we have hundreds of videos on appliance maintenance and repair. Another tip is to plug your large appliances directly into the wall sockets rather than using extension leads. Now, extension leads are great for a quick mow of the lawn, but not for large appliances such as fridge freezers, washing machines and so on. It's also a good idea to only plug one large appliance into each socket at a time so you don't overload them. Don't ignore the warning signs your appliance is giving you. If you smell burning, see sparks or hear unusual noises when your machine is running, investigate it straight away. You may need to replace a part in your machine. It's always best to run your appliances when you're around, just in case something should go wrong. It may be tempting to put a wash on just as you're going out, or leave your dishwasher running overnight, or even leave your cooker on when you pop to the corner shop, but we really wouldn't advise it. It's always best to run your appliances when you're in the house and awake so that you can react quickly if something should go wrong. Another important safety tip is to make sure that none of your appliances have been recalled. Now, there are two actions to take here. The first is to check that all of the model numbers of your appliances haven't been recalled by a quick internet search or by looking at the manufacturer's website. Then when you do buy a new machine, we really recommend you take the time to register it. It's super quick and easy to do, and it means you'll be notified every time there is a recall in the future. To find out more about appliance recalls, check out our video that we'll link up here to be fully in the know about appliance safety. If you have a gas appliance, make sure you always get it serviced and repaired by an engineer on the Gas Safe register. You can check this online on the Gas Safe website, which we'll also link in the description down below. Now, when an engineer turns up at your house, they'll have an ID card with a registration number, validity dates, and the appliances they're trained in, and it will also have this logo. Gas repairs are one of the very few repairs that we would never recommend you carry out yourself due to the high risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. On that note, we'd recommend having a smoke alarm and a carbon monoxide alarm installed on every floor of your home. We do sell these on our website, so if you do need to grab some, we'll pop a link down below. Last but not least, it's so important to have fire evacuation plans for your home. If your freezer's by your back door, can you escape easily out your front door if it sets alight? If your washing machine's under your stairs, can you get out safely if it catches fire? It's so important to have a plan in place and to make sure that everyone in your household knows how to escape in the event of a fire. Hopefully you'll never need it, but having a fire evacuation plan in your home can save you precious minutes in the case of an emergency. If you've made it this far into the video, we can tell that you're really keen to maintain the safety of your appliances in your home, which is great. So we'll link a playlist below of safety videos so you can be even more clued up on the safety of your household appliances. Thanks for watching.